Broccoli's green and full of might, helps my bones grow strong and right. Crunch it up and you will see, it's full of vitamin C. D! Carrots, orange, long and sweet, make my eyes feel super neat. Vitamin A is what they bring, now I see just everything. Veggies, veggies, come along, sing with us the veggie song. Crunchy, munchy, fun to eat, veggies make a healthy treat. Tomatoes red and juicy too, good for heart and skin for you. In my salad or my stew, healthy things they always do. Corn is yellow, fun to eat, full of fiber, oh so sweet. Pop it, boil it in a pan, corn's a healthy little fan. Veggies, veggies, come along, sing with us the veggie song. Crunchy, munchy, fun to eat, veggies make a healthy treat. Potatoes grow beneath the ground, full of energy all around. Mashed or roasted, what a treat, they give me fuel from head to feet. Spinach leaves are green and fine, give me iron all the time. Makes me strong and full of cheer, like a little superhero here. Cucumber cool, I love the crunch, I can eat it in my lunch. Keeps me fresh and full of water, just like mama, dad and daughter. Veggies, veggies, hip hooray, let's eat colors every day. From the garden to my plate, veggie power makes me great.